Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing a beastly yet affordable next-gen gaming desktop, the Skytech King 95 gaming PC. Right pointing finger emoji. Before we jump into the benchmarks and real-world usage, hit the link below to get this PC at today's best discounted price. Don't sleep on it, these kinds of deals vanish fast. Wrench emoji, quick specs overview. Here's what this performance-packed rig is working with. Fire emoji. CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 9700X, 8-core, 16-thread, up to 5.5 GHz turbo boost, Gen 5 architecture with serious multitasking power. Video game emoji, GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7, perfect for maxed out 1440p and solid 4K gaming. High voltage sign emoji, storage, 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD. Super fast boot/load speeds. Brain emoji, RAM, 32GB DDR5 RGB 6000 MHz, smooth multitasking and future-ready performance. Brick emoji, motherboard, AM5 platform, C5.0, DDR5 support, and overclocking ready. Electric plug emoji, PSU, 850 watts gold certified, reliable power with future GPU upgrade headroom. Sparkles emoji. Design, modern mid-tower case with RGB accents and tempered glass. Video game emoji, real-world performance tests. We ran this PC through a full range of games and creative tasks, and it crushed every scenario with ease. Call of Duty, Warzone, 1440p Ultra, 180+ FPS with buttery smooth performance. Starfield, 4K high, 60 to 70 FPS with great consistency and visuals. Valorant, Apex, Fortnite, 250+ FPS competitive settings. Adobe Premiere Pro plus After Effects, render times were cut significantly, smooth timeline scrubbing. Multi-streaming setup, OBS plus Game plus Chrome tabs, 0 frame drops, low CPU temps. This build is a dream for gamers, streamers, and creators alike. Green circle emoji, pros. White check mark emoji. Excellent 1440p and entry-level 4K gaming performance. White checkmark emoji, Ryzen 7000 series plus RTX 5070 equals balanced power for gaming and multitasking. White checkmark emoji, fast Gen 4 SSD and DDR5 RAM equals no bottlenecks. White checkmark emoji, beautiful RGB case with airflow optimization. White checkmark emoji, ready for future upgrades, C5.0, AM5. DDR5. Red circle emoji, cons. Cross mark emoji, not the most powerful RTX card for 4K ultra/extreme gaming, but great value at 1440p plus. Cross mark emoji, only 1TB storage, consider adding an HDD extra SSD if you're a heavy user. Shopping cart emoji, final verdict. The Skytech King 95 gaming PC is the ideal upper mid-range gaming system in 2025. It balances power, price, and polish, making it perfect for competitive gamers, streamers, and content creators who want serious performance without jumping into $4K plus territory. Bullseye emoji, want solid 1440p/4K gaming, fast creative workflows, and a slick RGB setup that just works out of the box? This is a serious contender. Pushpin emoji, check the link below for the latest discounts and availability. This is one of the best value rigs you can get right now.